tshela ukuthi njengoba sengifakiwe of which ucoach nabadlali shothi ithemba as i-striker sibheke wena ukuthi bafo sicela ukuthi usenzele into right as i-striker. So ngase vele sengwafundela ama-defend ukuthi okay kahle kahle ukuhlala wami ebhenjini ngangifunda ukuthi okay mangena la makwenzeka ngifakwa mina yini ekumele ngenze yini ekumele ngiyishintshe egemini. Ukora wami igoli lesibili kwangijabulisa kakhulu because into vele eyayidingeka and sasinida kakhulu siyiteam.
That's a great ball to find up. Yes! Yes! Apollos has found the equalizer! And this will go to penalties! Oh, they've done it among the Pirates!
We have succeeded to come back to score 3 goals at home. The way that we did it was just fantastic, you know. The team spirit, the aim to get in the opponent camp and to stay and to hurt them. The speed, the intensity that we put in that game was just fantastic.
Le game ukuphela kwayo ngo-3-0 so sekuye ema-penalty. Ngifuna ungasho penalty ngalelo suku lola ngafiki mina because ngaze ngabatshela ngathi no it's fine ngicela ukuthi ngishaye maybe i-penalty eyokugcina.
Were we as prepared as we always are for penalties? No. Was the environment giving us the opportunity to do so? No. It was very, like I said, it's no excuse. It was very difficult to find penalties on this team. I was fortunate enough to be part of the analytical team in this club in both capacities for a period of 9 years now.